Learn the secrets of success from this elite group of high-volume originators in the Centurion Roundtable interviews. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
Progress is not possible without change, and PRMG is devoted to providing our wholesale partners across the nation with the best combination of products, pricing, technology, and service. Get approved with PRMG today.
Hi, I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. You're watching the Centurion Roundtable interviews sponsored by our friends over at PRMG. We're meeting with top originators from around the country who utilize technology, an excellent support staff, and the best in investors and vendors to put more borrowers in homes. Tonight we're meeting with Frank Barbagallo, who is the president of Nationwide Mortgage Group. Frank, thank you for taking the time out of your day to meet with us.
Thank you.
So listen, I want to learn a little bit about your activities. Talk about a little bit about what you do to market yourself. From on a weekly basis. What does your marketing activities look like?
Well, luckily, I don't have to do a whole lot in terms of marketing, being that I've been in the industry for over 14 years. I've developed my relationships over time, and so my marketing is my relationships. Basically, the relationships with current realtors, new realtors, borrowers, and their friends and family. So basically, on a regular basis, I just keep those relationships growing and extending out olive branches from those relationships to other people that they know.
Fantastic. Obviously, the best business you can get is from happy borrowers, and it seems like you're making a lot of borrowers happier out there.
Correct. If you do it the right way and you do it the right way, then you always will get referrals.
Fantastic. So listen, you've been in the business 14 years. We've been through lots of ups and downs in those 14 years. You don't stay in this business unless you really love the business. I mean, the money's great, but unless you really love what you're doing, you don't really, you don't stay in this business. What do you love about this business, Frank?
Well, I think that's an easy answer. I mean, ultimately, what I do every day is I make people's dreams come true, as corny as it sounds. Ultimately, getting people into their homes, doing it the right way, making them happy, and I always attend all the closings that I can, and seeing people's faces and having them thank you for what you do every day. Although it is tedious and behind the desk, at the end of the day, that's what makes it, makes it so good to do what I do.
Wonderful. I don't think that's corny at all. I think that's great. I feel actually that you're genuine in that. That's a wonderful thing. So listen, as much as we love this business, what do you fear about the business, about the future of the business?
Well, I mean, obviously there's the concerns of, potential minor bubbles or market crash, especially down in South Florida where I live. That concerns me, of course, but not only for me, but for my borrowers as well. As they're buying, the last thing I want is, a year into it, all of a sudden be underwater. I guess for my industry, the other thing that concerns me as the mortgage broker business is the regulations. Over the past 7 years or 8 years, the regulations have made it a lot harder for me to operate and earn a living, and also for the employees I have. I'm a small mom and pop shop, but at the end of the day, I just worry that the regulations may squeeze out what mortgage broker businesses are. So that's my biggest concern.
Yeah, and I know you, listen, for you, it's just a commitment to kind of put more borrowers in homes, and the worst thing that could happen is where less borrowers are afforded the opportunities that you've been able to give them.
Correct.
So listen, I want to learn about how you leverage your relationship with your lenders and investors to put more borrowers in homes.
Well, the way that I operate with my business model itself is the same with my lenders in terms of forging a relationship with them and being more than just, okay, what's your rate, give me this and move on. I basically am signed up with several lenders, but there's a handful that I really do business with. Obviously, rates and service are important, but the relationships come into play as well. PRMG is one of my biggest lenders that I do business with, and the relationship with my rep, underwriters, and account manager not only allow me to have confidence in getting the loans done, but also in the rare cases where extra work is needed or something off the cuff happens, I have the confidence that those people actually care about me and my clients enough to try to make it work. So being those relationships that I have, it allows me to be more confident and my borrowers benefit from that.
Fantastic. Well, listen, Frank, I really appreciate you taking the time out of the day. Can you tell us what's the best way to get a hold of you?
You can call my office at 954-248-1188 or through the website at nationwidemortgagefl.com.
Fantastic. Well, Frank, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day.
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
In today's wholesale environment, providing our broker community with the best combination of product, pricing, and fulfillment is paramount to their success. With a strong net worth and delivery of high-quality performing loans to the secondary market, it is no secret why many brokers choose PRMG as their wholesale partners. PRMG. We strive to be better in all that we do. Get approved with PRMG today.
This is Mortgage News Network.